Good afternoon, myself Pinky Chawla, advocate, practice in District Court, Delhi as well in Supreme Court of India. Today we'll discuss about Hindu marriage at section 10 of HMA, what he says. This is called separation between husband and wife. It so happened this husband and wife are married, just married, and they are fighting over petty matters and they are not comfortable. There are so many issues, financial issues, relatives issues, their parents interference from both sides. Now they are not happy because since they have love marriage and converted into regular marriage, but still there's so many differences are coming between them, and whatever they thought they will have, they will enjoy their matrimonial life very happily, but due to so many differences and interferences, especially from relative side, from parent sides, they are not able to enjoy their matrimonial life. So once they decided they want to go for separation, so in that very situation, what they should do, they can go to the concerned court and ask for separation petition in the family court. What is separation petition is section 10 of HMA says ki if husband and wife are not happy and they don't want to take divorce because of their family problem and embarrassing situation faced by the society, they're just married couple and why they want to take divorce, then they can go for separation for 1 year, and by the meantime once they go for separation for one year, they can decide whether they want to reunion again, want to understand their problems and want to understand who was guilty in that very situation, and merits and demerits of their own on their personality as well as in the concern their marriage also. And after going all the through details, they can file a separate petition in the court. Both parties will be called and the judge will send the matter for reconciliation. If the reconciliation is not done, then they will also suggest them they can go for separation, because this is better idea instead of going for divorce, and where they have to ask so many reply to those parents as well as society. And even when they have go for love marriage for their own choice, they should give themselves time and space so that they should realize their mistake and can get time to improve their mistake also. Then they go for separation case, and the judge, honorable judge, decide separation cases in their favor. And he or she, the honorable judge, also wanted that they should go for separation, and after that they come back with a happy note. So divorce separation, instead of divorce petition, separation petition under section 10 of Hindu marriage has been filed. That gives the benefit to both the parties, that they can reunion again, and they did not go for another criminal case against each other, and their love and relationship will be maintained. If they realize their mistake and they understand their mistake very well, they can go again to the court and go for regular marriage also, and there are so many other ways also. Thank you so much for listening to me. My number is 9818277131. If you have any queries in detail about this matter, feel free to talk to me with prior intimation. Thank you so much.